This lightning strike right here was so bright that for a fraction of a second I was just seeing all white. What the fuck is this? The sky was illuminated by bursts of lightning strikes, coming in at multiple strikes per second. Though I didn't actually see any lightning strikes directly, except for the one shown in the beginning. The thunder was really just one continuous roar. Given how bright that initial lightning strike was, I hypothesized that really for some reason the discharges are really strong here, and therefore I can see lightnings from very far away how they illuminate the sky and hear the roaring of their thunder. And then it started to rain. This is not edited. Multiple lightnings per second. It's thunder doesn't ever stop.